Here's a pair of Beats Studio buds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a PlayStation Portal via Bluetooth. Now, in order to connect via Bluetooth, we need some kind of Bluetooth adapter. Okay, I got this right here. It's a C28 wireless transmitter and receiver. Out of this box, you get the Bluetooth adapter as well. There's a power button here. You can press and hold. And you have RX mode and TX mode, receive and transmit. We're only going to use transmit, okay? If you turn it to the receive, it's going to be blinking blue, but we want it on TX or transmit, so we want to make sure it's blinking red. You also have a 3.5 millimeter jack here. We're going to pop that into there. You also have a USB-C charging port to charge it, and it's USB-C again. So from here, what you want to do is make sure that it's on red, and first thing is we're going to plug this in right into our audio jack, our 3.5 millimeter jack on our portal here. So I'm just going to go ahead and put it in just like this way here. I mean, you can swing it around, but I kind of want that light this way. So I'm going to pop that in there. So it's in, and we want it on red blinking. Now we got to grab this, and we need to put this in pairing mode. Let's go ahead and open these up, and then there's a button right here. Let me press and hold that little button there until we get this into pairing mode, which would be like a white blinking light, as you can see right there. Okay. I think it might be connected as a solid light here. Okay, so these are actually connected now. The audio is coming out of here. What I had to do is I had to just turn this off. For some reason it wouldn't connect, so I turned it off and I just turned it back on, and then it connected. Let me see if it's back on. Okay, so the audio is on. Yep, I can hear everything. So I have the earbuds and it's in right now. Now the thing is, even though I'm hearing the audio through the earbuds, if you have the volume up on your TV, you'll be able to hear it from your TV and your buds. If you just want the buds, then obviously just mute the TV. And now it's only coming out of the buds now. And there you go. Pretty simple. Now, if you had issues, if you couldn't connect or whatnot, you can always reset these. Look in the link below, okay?